Hey guys, what's up? Hope you're doing well. This is Tanmay back again with one more review. This time it is not for any particular mobile device, it is for a solution. This is the video for a device which you can use for non-Bluetooth cars. This is for Tantra Fluke. The brand is Tantra, I'm sure. The reason why I'm putting this video is because a lot of people use cars where Bluetooth is not there, no built-in solution is there. So for those cars, this is the perfect device that can be used. This comes around for 4,000 rupees as priced, but then it is available on Flipkart in a price range of 1500 to 2000 rupees. I have also got it from Flipkart. So let me give you a live demo of this device. It is compatible with every Apple, Android, BlackBerry, Windows, every device which supports A2DP profiles. It requires a 3.5 audio jack, and in this box we'll find the Tantra Fluke user guide and an extra adhesive. Let me just tell you what is this adhesive all about. So this is my car which is without Bluetooth, and this is the device. This is the magnetic strip which I have pasted. You can paste it anywhere on your dashboard. This has magnet inside it, it easily gets stuck. Before giving the demo, let me just tell you what this device is all about. So this is one device which is for the non-Bluetooth cars. This has one button. This is the quick pair button or call answer and call ending button. These are two buttons which are used to change the tracks, the previous one and the next one. Comes with one cord, one big cord which then divides into two. One goes to your USB charger in your car for power. The other one goes to your auxiliary port. So you have to just do one thing. You have to keep your music system on the auxiliary port, auxiliary mode, and you have to just pair it on by long pressing it. I have paired this device. This is paired with my mobile phone, and let me just give you the demo. I'll just call 198.
Welcome to Vodafone. We are happy to help
You can control the sound via.
हिंदी में जारी रखने के लिए 1 दबाएं. To continue
This
in
is the
English,
clarity that you get with this device.
पंजाबी ਵਿੱਚ जारी रखਣ.
There are a couple of other benefits involved with this. A, this comes with noise cancellation mics, so it can suppress outside noise, no interference. Secondly, there are other solutions out there in the market at a price of 400 to 500 rupees. Those USB small sticks comes in the form of pen drives that can be directly plugged into your USB port. They also act as Bluetooth, but the only problem with them is they do not give you proper good experience, I would say, in terms of call quality. So a lot of echoes are heard while the conversation is being made on the phone via that Bluetooth stick. Secondly, music streaming is not smooth. You will feel lag while playing the music. So that's the problem with those sticks. This product, I would recommend it to everyone, that those people who do not have a Bluetooth enabled car. There are a lot of car manufacturers which offers lower end models without Bluetooth. So you can install a normal player in your car, and then you can use this device, and your car will behave exactly the same way the top end variants behave, because they have noise cancellation. This thing also has noise cancellation. There is no echo heard while making conversations on those devices. Here also, I've been using it for two to 2.5 months now, and I have not faced a single problem. And the reason why I am reviewing this product is because a lot of people, when they sit in my car, they ask about it. There is no awareness about this product, that there is something which is available, that too at a price point of 1500 to 2000 rupees, and it can work flawlessly. So also I would like you guys to see the kind of music this thing plays from a mobile device. The streaming is absolutely smooth. There is no lag in it, no problem. Let me just open my YouTube channel and play a video for you guys. The sound will be via this Bluetooth. This is my video for Skull Candy. The sound is being played via the Bluetooth.
Skull Candy Bluetooth wireless earphones that I've recently ordered from Amazon.
So this is the sound quality of this product. Well, thank you so much guys for watching this video. I am sure this will help a lot of people using non-Bluetooth enabled cars to make their decision and buy this product. I will also share the link of this product so that it becomes easy for you guys to find it. Also, if you have any queries related to this product, please post them in the comment section below. I will be happy to take it. Thank you so much once again. Do like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. This is Tanmay signing off. I will see you guys again in my next video. Peace.